Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am opening a new DIY box from Simply Earth, and this one is the lotion kit. It is the season for lotion. My hands are drier than they've ever been. They hurt and they're cracking, and I need this desperately. So I'm really excited about this. This is a kit to make 2 8-ounce lotions, and they come in, or they give you cute bottles and labels as usual. So let's jump in and see what we get. This has everything you need in the box. Whoops. And I'll open this first. This is going to have our recipe card, I'm sure. So you get a tiny box with the info you'll need. This has the essential oils and the recipe cards and additional ingredients in here. The labels are so cute. It's lavender lemon lotion. I'm really excited. So there's the labels. We get the recipe card. So this is going to be vegetable glycerin. What's this? So this is the vegetable glycerin. You get a 15 milliliter bottle, it looks like, of that. Let's see. So there's the vegetable glycerin. You're gonna use a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, a tablespoon of emulsifying wax, which also comes in this little thing here, a 1.5 tablespoon of cetyl alcohol, a 1/2 cup of sunflower seed oil. You got 2 of these in the box. A GeoGuard tea preservative. This is a preservative that will help the shelf life go from like 1 month to 9 months when you're using water in a product. So there's benzyl alcohol, salicylic acid, and sorbic acid. This we've gotten in a couple of boxes, I feel like, before. I think I have some of this on hand, but this is really nice to use or to have on hand when you're making DIY products that you do want to like gift or want them to last a little longer. If you go search preservative, at Simply Earth's website, it will show you how to use it further, but the recommended usage rate is 0.5 to 1% of your, I think, total. Yeah. So this is a preservative, and then you also get your 2 bottles with the cute labels. Then we get lavender and lemon essential oils. So you get 2 15 milliliter bottles of oil. So it's saying that we're going to use scissors to trim the straw to fit the pumps. So you got 2 of these pumps as well. Set aside. Create an ice bath by filling a large bowl with ice. Set it aside. Add the distilled water, vegetable glycerin to a glass pitcher. And then make sure it's large enough to add in the oil mixture and for an immersion blender to fit. So you will need an immersion blender or something similar. I am thinking I can use my mixer. I don't have an immersion blender, but I do. It's on my wish list, so maybe I'll just have to get one for this. But anyways, I think you can just use a hand mixer or put it in your like KitchenAid mix too. Then, separate glass, you're gonna mix emulsifying wax, the cetyl alcohol, and sunflower oil. And you're going to, I think, put that over a double boiler. Heat both mixtures until the oil mixture is melted. Once the oil is melted and both are similar temperatures to 155, remove and then place the immersion blender into the water mixture. Turn the blender on slow. While blending, pour the oil mixture into the water mixture, and then you're going to continue for about 1 minute until it's just combined. Set the lotion container into the ice bath and stir by hand. The lotion will be quite thin at first, but will slowly thicken as it cools. Cool. Continue to stir. Then you're going to mix the preservative and the essential oils and add that to the mixture, and then you're finally going to pour it into your bottle. So it's kind of an in-depth, I would say, type of DIY than we're used to. Like, we have candle kits where we just microwave the candle mixture and then add our essential oils, where this one you're using an immersion blender, you're using a double boiler. It's more in-depth, and I like that. I like that they're giving us different ways to do things. And I love that it's lotion and you're making your own. How cool is that? Like, making your own products like this, Bath and Body products, first aid products like an aloe balm or things like that is just empowering. And I love learning just different ways to make these types of things. So I want to remind you, I do have a coupon code for Simply Earth. I will put it down below or up in the corner here. And if you have any questions about Simply Earth, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.